Well, it's getting pretty dry here. You can see that, look right there, another cottonmouth. I have a bunch of cottonmouths here. This guy's aware of me, and so he is froze, as you can see there. I think he's comfortable now, and he's looks like he's rooting. We might actually see him catch something. I don't know if you can see the hundreds and hundreds of flies. It looks like he's looking for something to munch on. See if I can get a little closer without disturbing him too much. He seems to be pretty intent on something he's found. You can just smell the dead animals back here, all the tadpoles and the minnows. Yep, I think he saw me again, so he's froze. Not super big. He's about 2.5 feet. I'm gonna back off here and give him a little bit of room. Looks like he's making his way. We're going to give him a little room and see if he'll come on down. I think he may make his way right into here.